Jeff here, and this is Hacker Twins. Today's project is Desk Buddy. It's an extremely affordable robot arm that is made with the most beginner and cheap parts. If you have 3D printer and this hardware, you should be able to make this arm. It's able to spin continuously because it's being controlled with Bluetooth, and it has a slip ring. If you've watched our channel, you know that we've done multiple iterations of robot arms, but this is going to be the final hardware stack that we're going to go with, because the gripper is a good design that it'll actually be able to hold heavier objects. And spinning 360 is a really good feature for a small arm. Uh-oh. Thanks, buddy. If you watched our video last week, you might recognize Susan on the left here. Named after Lazy Susan, it's based around a slip ring connection that spins continuously on one side, and the other side is still. One of the issues with the original version of Susan is that there's no real way to hold the base down. And we want to rely on the bearing in the slip ring because it's designed for wood turbines, it'll be really strong. Instead of just having the gears on the outer ring, we put a lip on the top. You can slide gears in and out freely here because there's no lip. On this base, you're stuck in the lip. We've also added holes to allow the gears to slide in and out, along with brackets, so that they could be fixed into place and slide backwards and forwards. There'll be a bottom bracket that'll hold 3M nut. I'll hot glue that so it doesn't wiggle around. One will go over the plate. I can slide it in and out. I don't know why I made these holes. The pocket is way more convenient and actually stronger. Now that I got my 2 gears screwed on, we need to harvest some hardware from this guy. Okay, now I've ripped off all the technical guts. I can rig them on here. I'll find a spot for all the wires later. In the Google Play Store, I downloaded Serial Bluetooth Terminal. And now all I have to do is connect. I should be able to send it commands. And it'll spin. We'll still have to deal with the rat nest of wires, but Susan's got a lot of improvements. Now let's try and put an arm on her. If you've been watching, you know we have a few projects laying around. This project was a linear rail, and I'm going to harvest the arm on here, and I'll also harvest some parts from this little arm here. I really like this gripper design for picking up ping pong balls, but I need something a little bit stronger if I'm going to attempt to grab heavier things like a cell phone. This is starting to look like an arm. Now I just have to rig this servo and this planetary gear bracket to the end of this arm here. The big servo has been connected. The smaller wrist servo has been connected. And because there's a groove on the rail, I'm not able to just place them down vertically. Nice. It's able to hold that just fine. Oh no! A 1? Okay, well I guess the video's over then. Hacker Twins out.